Why the wife of an Awo must receive Ikofá. Long ago, Orunmila, the great diviner and guardian of wisdom, lived with Yemayá, the mother of the seas. Their home was peaceful, but within its walls, a secret was being kept. Unbeknownst to Orunmila, Yemayá had hidden a spiritual relic, a powerful prenda containing the essence of 3 eggun, spirits of the dead, in the backyard. She had never spoken of it, choosing instead to keep it concealed from Orunmila's sight. Whenever he left the house, she would go to the hidden shrine, performing rituals and workings in secrecy. The backyard was dense with vegetation, and among the plants, Yemayá had carefully placed her foundation. Orunmila often saw her wandering there, and when he asked what she was doing, she would simply smile and say she was gathering herbs for cooking. And so the days passed. Suspicion and deception. As time went on, Orunmila began to sense an air of mystery surrounding his wife's actions. Yemayá, noticing his growing suspicion, devised a way to keep his attention elsewhere. She planted a lush garden in the front yard, filling it with watercress and other vegetables, and told Orunmila, "When I am not here, do not let anyone take from these plants." But Orunmila was not so easily distracted. He had long urged Yemayá to receive her Ikofá, the sacred mark of a woman living beside an Awo, an initiate of Ifa. However, Yemayá always refused. "Not now," she would say. "The time has not yet come." The revelation one day, Orunmila went out, and Yemayá, thinking she was alone, returned to her secret workings. But upon Orunmila's return, something felt wrong. The house was heavy, the air thick with an energy he could not ignore. A presence lingered, something unseen, something unsettled. Without hesitation, Orunmila sat and consulted Ifa through Osode, casting the sacred divination. The Odu that revealed itself spoke of hidden spirits, ancestral forces moving within the household. It warned against the very vegetables planted in the yard, forbidding Orunmila from consuming them. With the truth now exposed, Orunmila turned to his wife and said, "I have seen it. There are 3 eggun in this house." Yemayá froze. She tried to keep her composure, but the weight of Orunmila's certainty pressed upon her. "I do not understand," she lied. "No one has been here today." But Orunmila's wisdom was sharp, his words unwavering. "Then that means you are the one working with them," he declared. Yemayá denied it, over and over, but Orunmila persisted, and finally, knowing that further deception would only bring dire consequences, she reluctantly revealed the hidden prenda, bringing it before Orunmila's eyes. The path to redemption. Orunmila consulted Ifa again, and the oracle was clear. This relic of the dead would bring only loss and misfortune. "You must take it to the river," Orunmila told Yemayá. "You must release it. It has no place in our home." At first, Yemayá resisted, for she had relied on its power for so long, but in the end, she understood. She had been holding on to something that would only harm them both. And so, with great reluctance, she carried the prenda to the river and let it go, watching as the current swept it away. The lesson of Ikofá. Upon her return, Orunmila looked at her with understanding and spoke the words she would never forget. "To live beside me, you do not need hidden spirits, nor secret works. The only foundation you need is your Ikofá, for it is the true mark of the woman who walks with Orunmila." From that day forward, Yemayá embraced the wisdom of Ifa, knowing that the path to prosperity and balance could never be built upon secrecy, but only through faith, honesty, and alignment with divine wisdom. Thus, it became known that the wife of an Awo must receive Ikofá, for it is her true spiritual anchor, the only foundation she will ever need. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wisdom of Ifa. The story of Orunmila and Yemayá reminds us that true spiritual alignment comes not from secrecy, but from faith, honesty, and connection to divine wisdom. This tale teaches that the Ikofá is not just a ritual, but a foundation, one that aligns the wife of an Awo with the guidance of Ifa, ensuring balance, clarity, and prosperity in her path. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more Yoruba wisdom, traditional teachings, and cultural insights, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have you ever experienced a lesson in life that taught you the value of truth and spiritual alignment? Share your thoughts in the comments. Follow for more Ikofá teachings and Yoruba storytelling. Until next time, may wisdom and light guide your path. Modupe. Thank you.